12-volt Next Power jump starter 1500A. Big thank you for the company for sending it over to me. I'll put links in description. That's made for all of these things, so it's portable. Nice. Ooh, fully charged. Beautiful. Pretty lightweight, not very heavy at all. Flashlight. How does the flashlight work? Let's see. Press and hold. Yep, and the light will be on, and a couple of different modes. What's on the back of it? Output, input, USB-C, USB output, USB output. So chargeable for cell phones. So it's like a power bank. Plug is out here. Very simply in here. And then I would connect it to the batteries. There's a very simple instruction about the indicators. Here's a quick example. Haven't started a lawnmower in a while. Look at that corrosion on the batteries. Let's see if it will start. Wow, it actually took off half a battery already. Okay. And now the battery is slowing down. Looks like I'll have to recharge it or something. Now let's try this out without the battery. Completely unplug it. Now let's see what happens. The battery dies off really fast. So I recharged it all the way. So this time we're going to try to use force start. So this is on and there's a button force start. Let's try it out. Well, I didn't think that was possible, and apparently it is. It works so well. Compress napkins, there's a whole bunch of them. That's quite cool. So stock up on them. Okay, let's pour some water on it, see what happens. Just a quick one. Whoa, it expands so fast. I love these things. Let's go fall. And even more right here. And now it unfolds really easily, but before water was added, it was pretty like solid, like a piece of rock. And now there's a little napkin that absorbs water really well, but at the same time, if I need to like squeeze all the water and use like a dry napkin, it's possible to remove all the water, squeeze it all out, and now it's pretty dry towelette or a towel or napkin that is really strong. It does rip a little bit because at the end of the day it's not cloth, but for what I need is like plenty of strength. Awesome. Absorb all that water again, lift it up, use it like a wet sponge bath. Civivi Tuck and Twist, black stone washed brass handle, black stone wash steel tweezers. So comes with like a parts, and there you go, there's tweezers, beautiful logo on it, designs. So untwist this way, and then it will slide out, and then once it's here, twist it back up, it will tighten it, and it has this side here like a needle nose type of tweezers to take out the splinter. Beautiful. Okay, it sits in there nice once it's tightened all the way. Okay, untighten it, slide it back, boom. Keychain size for sure. I like it. Or you can go into the pocket with this little CVV leather holder. Beautiful. 10-inch folding pruning saw, Corona. This is nice. I love how easy it is to open it. Grab it from the bottom part and there you go. So nice and oiled up in a package. Locks in. Very nice, like curve to it. Very big teeth. Wow. This is a grip right here. This way, this way, this way. Either way. 2 hands in case something big. This folding saws are really nice and locks in like that. That's it. Super nice. Okay, let's go put it to the test. Fits my pocket really good. Cypresses. Let's see how well it does. That's fast. Wow. This one a little bit bigger. Let's see. Wow. Snapped it too so quick. And in case for camping, one-handed, it bites into it so well. Nice and dry wood here. Perfect, ready to be burned for firewood. Cuts it really well. I love it. Got it here. CRT tactical pen. Beautiful. Made all metal. So, oh, you know what? The pen is on this side. Okay, this is so confusing. For a second, now that I have figured it out how to use it, this looks like a pen, but this is just a self-defense tool. It pulls up this way, and the pen is on this side, and it locks in on this side. Very nice, hefty pen. It feels good in the hand, not too heavy. Beautiful clip with the CRT logo. Boom. Locks in on this side. Doesn't lock in on this side. No, it does lock on this side. Let's hear it. Have a little click right here, and I have a little click right here. Nice. Yeah, took me a minute to figure it out, so it's a really cool, unique pen. I like it. Gerber Fire Starter Striker, Whistle, and Lanyard. Okay, let's open it up, see what it's all about. Okay, pull it all out. Wow, this is really nice. Feels like plastic, but it has this nice gripable holder, and it has like indents for the fingers, 2 fingers like that. And this is nice steel right here, and there's an instruction how to use it. So I'd go this way. Is this replaceable? Doesn't look like that. It will last a long time. So strikes this way. Beautiful. And the whistle right here. Okay, let's plug it in, see what it looks like. Ooh, does it twist off or lock in? Oh, just locks in. Interesting. Let's see how this works. Yeah, very unique over here. Little lanyard. There's a way to just take it off and put it on one side, but that's cool too. There's a logo. Boom, open it, stack it. These things are really cool. I like it. Very cool design. Easy to lock it in and take it off. Boom. Almost missed this part. This actually comes out, and the fire tender or fire starter kindling goes in here, and it's quite a big space into here. Locks back in. That's even better. Wow, I like that fire starter just for that reason. It's great to have it all in the same place. Gerber Ultimate Fixed Blade. So it's more of a camping bushcrafting knife. Okay, that's probably the easiest way to open it, from the back. Okay, that's easy. It slides off right here. Okay, So what we got here? Okay, it goes into a knife sheath like this and locks in, and there's another cover holder. Beautiful. Comes with a like a little OP with a whistle in the back of it. That's nice. And this goes into here and locks in. Maybe this way. Yep, this way. And it locks in by pushing it a little bit. Oh, nice. This comes off all the way. Ooh, there's a sharpener in the back, hidden a little bit, so that's cool. Easy to open it, and this is partially serrated. Wow, that is really thick. And what to know about this side here is a striker. Ooh, it's tight, nice. So this side here is sharp edge on the back of the blade to strike it and get a really nice spark, because it's not really sharp, but it's much better than this. A little bit smooth right here. This is a nice corner right here, so it will spark really well. So that's a beautiful Gerber knife, very comfortable, perfect to work on like bushcrafting skills, like cutting firewood and stuff, chopping firewood. So many uses with that. This in the back right here, it looks like a hammer. It's a little piece of steel. That is cool. So nailing nails maybe. Just very cool. I like it. Okay, put it all away. Locks in very tight, and Velcro. Locks in. Go around. Locks in right here, and the last one. Beautiful. Yeah, and there's a belt loop in the back, and there's another loop here.